Well, hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to look at this, a compact portable fruit juicer. You can make smoothies and good healthy drinks and things like that in it, okay? This was provided for my review. Very well built, very nice, very compact. It's got six blades in it. You charge it using your USB cord, which comes with it, okay? All right. Take it off. There's a filter in there. You'll see what that's used for here. All right, so let me show you how this works. So hang on. Let's throw in a banana. Okay, now sure, I'll get that. All right. Here's my sugar replacement. Sweetener, there we go. That one wasn't cut good enough. Nope, that one was upside down. There we go. Okay. And then add a cup of milk. Fill this about 80%. Right there. Put this on. Put that on. On button right there. Got some sugar substitute in it. Kind of keep it mixing. All right, that should be good enough. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Now to clean this, all you do is you take, as you unscrew this, pour some water in there, turn it on, and it cleans itself. All right, there it is. Portable, compact, USB charged fruit juicer. Take a look at it. Not bad. Oh, I can do it. Take a look at it.